bus moves along the road, filled with excited kids. Maya sits at the front with Momo, the robot. Laughter fills the air as everyone looks at the fun pictures on the screen. The students chat eagerly about the robot dinosaurs they can't wait to see at Dino Robot Valley. The kids jump off the bus, full of excitement. A friendly tour guide robot waves and says, "Welcome." Maya looks at the many paths and asks, "Where will we start?" The robot smiles, "With my special AI, I know just where to go. AI makes me smart and helps me think, learn, and make quick decisions." The robot's AI helps it guide the group safely, answering their questions along the way. It senses its surroundings, avoiding obstacles like the splashing water. With excitement in the air, the robot leads the group down the path, eager to start their adventure. Biped robots help us by carrying heavy things and walking on rough ground. They are useful in construction sites for lifting heavy tools and materials, and in warehouses for moving boxes and supplies where wheels can't go. Four-legged robots are good at climbing over bumpy ground. They help in rescue missions, like finding people trapped in hard-to-reach places after earthquakes or delivering first aid kits and food when it's too dangerous for humans to enter. The swimming robot moves smoothly through the water, showing how it can explore the underwater world, find new sea creatures, and even locate hidden shipwrecks. These robots are great for discovering treasures under the sea, helping scientists and explorers find things we've never seen before. That's a remote-controlled robot. You can make it move with a joystick, just like that kid is doing, making it go forward, backward, and turn around. It's a fun way to play and learn how to control robots. That's a self-controlled robot. It makes decisions on its own, like finding its way and avoiding things in its path. That's a cleaning robot. It's programmed to clean, following instructions to sweep and pick up trash all by itself. The kids chat excitedly about all they've learned. Maya thinks about the amazing robots, lifting, flying, delivering, and cleaning. As the bus drives away, the experience leaves the kids with unforgettable memories and a growing curiosity about the world of robots.